How to make and sell online courses. In 2025, a step-by-step guide. The online learning market is growing quickly, which is a great chance for people with knowledge to share. In 2025, making and selling online courses is still a good way to make passive income and become an expert in your field. This guide gives you a full picture of the process with strategies, tips, and insights to help you make and launch a successful online course. Why make and sell courses online? The pros to potential for passive income. Make money over and over again by selling courses. Build authority. Make yourself an expert in your field. Reach a global audience. Talk to students from all over the world. Flexibility and control. You can make courses when it's convenient for you and have full control over the content. Scalability. You can easily grow your business by signing up more students. Step 1. Find your niche and the people you want to reach. Passion and knowledge. Pick a subject that you are both passionate about and knowledgeable about. Market research. Find a niche where people want to learn online. Target audience. Figure out who your perfect student is and what they need and want to learn. Step 2. Checking to see if your course idea is good. Surveys and polls. Use surveys and polls to find out how interested people are in your course idea. Competitor analysis. Look at other courses in your field to find gaps and chances. Pre-sales. Offer pre-sales of your course to test the waters and make some money up front. Step 3. Making a plan for the content and structure of your course. Course outline. Make a detailed course outline that includes all the main topics and goals for learning. Learning modules. Split your course into smaller, easier-to-manage learning modules. Types of content. Figure out what types of content will work best for your course, like video lectures, written materials, and interactive exercises. Learning goals. Set clear learning goals for each module and the course as a whole. Step 4. Making course content that is high quality. Making videos. Buy good video equipment and editing software. Written materials. Make worksheets, templates, and checklists that are interesting and helpful. Interactive elements. To get students more involved, add interactive elements like quizzes, assignments, and discussion boards. Step 5. Picking a learning management system, LMS. Thinkific is a well-known LMS platform with a user-friendly interface and a lot of useful features. Teachable. This is another well-known LMS platform that focuses on being easy to use and having marketing tools. LearnDash is a WordPress plugin that lets you make and sell courses on your own WordPress site. Kajabi. A platform that has everything you need to make courses, market them, and sell them. Step 6. Setting the price for your course. Competitor analysis. Find out how much other courses in your niche cost. Value proposition. Think about how much your course is worth to students. Pricing models. Pick a pricing model, like a one-time payment, a subscription, or a payment plan. Step 7. How to market your online course. Marketing on social media. Use social media to get the word out about your course. Email marketing. Get people to sign up for your email list and tell them about your course. Content marketing. Make videos, articles, and blog posts that will get the attention of people who might want to go to school. Paid advertising. Use ads that cost money to reach more people. Affiliate marketing. Work with affiliates to get the word out about your course. Step 8. Launching your course and offering support. Promote your course before it launches to get people excited and ready for it. Promotion on launch day. Give a special discount or bonus to people who sign up early. Ongoing support. Help your students with email, forums, and live Q&A sessions. Important points. How to succeed in online courses in 2025. In 2025, making and selling online courses is a great way to make money without having to work and to show that you are an expert in your field. You can make a great course, get students, and start a successful online learning business by doing these things.